Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss about the importance of office sustainability tours and presentations. So once in a while, you can take your employees or people who are interested in your community or in your town on simple tours and you can talk about your sustainability activities. So you can invite them on a quote like join us for a tour, see what we do, come and see how we make our office green and eco-friendly, learn our commitment, find out how we work hard to reduce our impact on the environment and promote green practices at work. So when you invite them for a tour with these kind of quotations, then people would be interested to find out what you are actually doing in your office or your organization. And you can talk about your achievements as well. Renewable energy, find out how we use energy from renewable sources like solar or wind. Green certifications, learn about our green building certifications and what they mean. So you can take them on a nice tour, talk about your sustainability activities, and you can also talk about your achievements, and you can talk about your certifications as well. So this will help to build a lot of trust about your organization or your business in front of people. At the same time, you're also promoting sustainability. All right, I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.